Lionel Messi, born in Rosario, Argentina, in 1987, is, is a football legend, even as a king playing in his neighborhood. It was obvious he was special. He had already demonstrated special talent of the field at 13. He moved to Barcelona, Spain to join the youth team. This was a tough time. He was away from his family and had a health problem that need treatment, but he was very talented. He, his grandma Celia was a big help obvious telling he to follow his dreams and never he up. Messi started playing professionally for Barcelona. In 24, he has won a lot, including 10 Spanish titles. He has also won the Best Play Award, the Ballon d'Or 7 times. He is very successful. Messi has worked so hard. Times, however, he has been injured and people have criticized him, especially when he plays for Argentina. But he always comes back and keeps play hard. In 2021, Messi left Barcelona and joined Paris Saint-Germain. If he keeps playing well, he will become even more famous if he had not been so determined as a young player would not be the star he is today.